Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I'll show you how to upload a 30-minute video on Facebook, step by step. Make sure to stick around till the end and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Step 1. Open the Messenger app on your Android or iPhone. Yes, you heard it right. We're using Messenger as part of this trick. Step 2. Open a chat with any of your friends. It doesn't matter who, just pick any chat. Step 3. Tap on the Photos and Videos icon. This will allow you to select the video you want to upload. Step 4. Choose the video you want to upload. Make sure the video is within 30 minutes and in a supported format. Step 5. Now, do not send the video. Instead, tap on Edit. This will open up the editing options. Step 6. Tap on the Add to Story option. This step is crucial because it helps bypass some of the usual limitations. Once you tap it, your video will start preparing to be uploaded. Step 7. Now, open your Facebook app. Wait for the full-length video to be uploaded to your Facebook story. This method ensures your video is successfully shared without any restrictions. And that's it. Your 30-minute video is now live on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.